In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Telegram download location. If you want more control over where your Telegram media is stored on Android, this quick walkthrough will help you find the available storage settings inside the app. It's important to mention right away that on Android, Telegram does not always offer full manual control over the exact download folder the way some desktop versions do, so depending on your device and app version, the options you see may be slightly different. To begin, open the official Telegram app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you're in the main screen of the app before moving on. Once Telegram is open, tap the menu icon in the top corner. This opens the main navigation panel where you can access your app settings and other account options. From the menu, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Data and Storage. This is where Telegram manages things like media downloads, storage behavior, and how files are handled on your device. Tap on Data and Storage to continue. Next, look for an option called Storage Usage or Download Settings. The exact wording can vary depending on the version of Telegram you're using, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different. The goal here is to open the area where Telegram handles downloaded media and saved files. Once you're in that section, check whether you have an option to change Save to Gallery or adjust the storage location. If your version of Telegram supports it, this is where you can modify how downloaded photos, videos, and other media are saved. On some Android devices, you may only be able to control whether media appears in your gallery rather than choosing a completely different folder. That's normal, and it depends on Telegram's current Android limitations. If you do see a storage location option, select the one you want and confirm the change. If you only see gallery-related options, adjust those based on how you want Telegram media to be stored and displayed on your device. One helpful tip is to double-check your phone's file manager after making changes so you can confirm where new Telegram downloads are going. Also, if the setting you want doesn't appear, make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version, since menu labels and storage options can change over time. That's all you need to do to change Telegram's download location settings on Android, or at least adjust the closest available option within the app.